ಈ ಕ್ರಿಮಿನಲ್ಗೂ ನನ್ನ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೇಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೋರಿಗೂ ಏನೋ ಸಂಬಂಧ ಇದೆ. ನನ್ನ ವಿರುದ್ಧ ಯಾರು ಕೇಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಆ ಕೇಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋರಿಗೂ ಈ ಕ್ರಿಮಿನಲ್ಗೂ ಏನೋ ಸಂಬಂಧ ಇದೆ.
Karnataka Home Minister Priyank Kharge on July 27th accused BJP leader C.T. Ravi of using an unrelated video to justify his remarks linking the NEET students' agitation with religion. He claimed that the BJP was attempting to give a communal angle to the students' protest. In a post on X, the Home Minister claimed that the BJP had a habit of linking every issue with Pakistan and Hindu-Muslim divisions, stating that the party's politics thrived on polarization. He further claimed that the BJP had failed to create any major communal unrest in Karnataka over the past 3 years and said that its leaders were becoming increasingly desperate. Targeting C.T. Ravi and other BJP leaders, Kharge stated that if their chests were opened, not even 4 letters would be found, suggesting that qualities such as morality, shame, truth, commitment and conscience were absent among them. Calling C.T. Ravi a stain on the political system, he said that speaking the truth required no hesitation, but lying should bring a sense of moral and social fear which he claimed the BJP leader lacked. He also referred to an earlier controversy involving Ravi's remarks in the Karnataka Assembly, stating that Ravi had still not provided his voice sample for the investigation related to the case. Priyank Kharge further criticized Ravi for stating that he would challenge the law and warned that such defiance would not be tolerated. You have eaten the salt, now be prepared to drink the water, Priyank Kharge said, suggesting that Ravi would have to face the legal consequences of his actions. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.